Greetings, dear students. In today's video, we will learn how to make an account on Wakelet. When you enter the website, you'll first see this button here, Sign Up. Once you press the button, it will take you to these options. You can either sign in with your email, Facebook, Microsoft account, Google, or with Apple. First, I will show you how to sign up with Google. Dear students, kindly note that all students under 19 will use their parents' accounts. When you press continue with Google, it will show all the accounts that are currently signed in to your Chrome browser or whichever browser you're using. I will use this email to sign in. Then it will come here to verify your age. Now kindly note that you will put the age of your parents. By that I mean you will still be using your parents' accounts. Here I'll put an example, like 1st January of, let's say, 2000, and then you press the box, which means that you agree to the terms, privacy and rules, and you create your account. Once it's done loading, you will see this screen and your account is done. It is complete. That's how you make an account on Wakelet. And remember, when you press get started, you will be asked to make a username for yourself, something that's unique to only you. You have to make sure that's available so that nobody else can use it, okay? Then when you press the next button, you have to choose which one of these you're going to be. You are a student, so you will choose student. And from please specify, you will choose whether you're in middle school, high school, university, or college. I will choose middle school and high school and press next. Here, you will do it based on why you're making an account on Wakelet. You can do it because it's a part of your assignment that your teacher assigned, or so you can interact with your classmates and friends, or other. Here, I'll go because your teacher assigned. And done! Your account is made. It's that simple to make an account on Wakelet. This time we used Google account. In the next video, I will show you how to make an account using your Microsoft account. Thank you.